Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here. Feel free to subscribe at youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy because Bill will show you how to.
Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy back again, and I want to ask y'all's help. So I'm looking for new how-to topics for future Bill the How-To Guy videos. So please comment below, share this video with others, subscribe, help me grow. I appreciate all your viewership throughout the years. Been working on a bunch of projects, and now I want to come back and go full speed ahead with the Bill the How-To Guy channel. So it's your support, your comments that will give me ideas and help me to continue to create an abundance of how-to videos. So again, subscribe, share with others, tell everybody you know, say, hey, go ahead and subscribe. Comment below, tell me what you would like to see, Bill the How-To Guy address within upcoming videos. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And don't forget to ring that bell icon, because that'll notify you whenever I post another video.